Hi, I'm Nozrul. I joined Jaguar Land Rover in September 2009 as an apprentice, and I currently work in the tool room within rapid prototyping tooling at Jaguar Land Rover. I applied to Jaguar Land Rover because initially I heard about apprenticeships. I didn't know which company to go with. I went searching for apprenticeships with different companies, and Jaguar Land Rover seemed to be the one that stood out the most. You know, big company, they do loads of different types of cars. You see them on the roads every day, and they do really nice cars, and it just seemed to be the one that attracted me most. The fact that it was such a big company, blue chip company. During my time of application, there was a lot of media attention on Jaguar Land Rover as well, which seemed to stand out to me as well. They were being bought by a new big company, and so I thought, this is a company that's going to be going somewhere. It's not a company that's going to die out anytime soon. You know, they're constantly rising. You hear lots of good things about them. Currently, I'm working in the tool room at Whitley. Within there, there's many different roles I've been moving through, and I've come to the CNC machine shop at the moment. I'm working on a CNC turning centre, which involves me being given a job card with a drawing of a component or part. Now that may be a part that's actually going on a vehicle or that's helping in the production line, but it's a part with a drawing and specifications, and I'm required to program a CNC machine with that drawing and then set that machine so it produces the part. There's a lot of training and support I received. Initially when I was at college, there was all the lecturers and your tutor. As well as that, they always provided extra support, such as additional math classes if you were struggling, or if you had trouble in a particular subject, you could always go and ask for help in the Learning Resource Centre. But then when I moved into plant full-time with day release, I found that there was a lot of help provided from your colleagues, your manager, your supervisor. Everyone was there to help you if you had a difficult task or job. Every 12 weeks there's a review as well, and within that review you always identify if there's any sort of difficult tasks that you need help with, or if there's any problems that you're having at work that they can help you with. So there's always support on hand. There's a lot of training we received. First it started with 9 months of college, in which we did an NVQ level 2 to start with in performing engineering operations. This involved doing turning, milling and fitting. We also at the same time did a national certificate within the first 2 years, which was in engineering. And this was a very good qualification because not many people know what's involved in an apprenticeship. And then after that, now currently I'm at work. I've been given training from outside companies in running the CNC machine, in computer-aided manufacturing software. I've been given training in welding, in fitting. It's just all aspects of my work area. There's a very diverse social scene because there's all people of all ages. There's loads of different things that you could be doing. We've had in our workshop, there's loads of different days out that someone's organised, and we've all been invited from not only our workshop but other workshops in the area. And within the apprenticeship itself as well, there's all the apprentices get along very well. We all go out, we have a very good time together, not only in college but as well as that when we have nights out as well. There's a lot I've learnt in my time in the apprenticeship. I'm only on my 3rd year in the apprenticeship, but within that, academically, I've achieved a national certificate in engineering. I've achieved an NVQ level 2 in performing engineering operations. Next year I'll be achieving my City and Guilds level 3, which I'm currently doing. I'll also be doing an NVQ level 3 as well. But then there's also, at work I've been learning to use different machines that I've never used before. Such as CNC machines, CNC lathes, CNC milling machines. I'm also learning how to use computer-aided design and manufacturing software. There's a lot of things that I'm learning at work which I never thought I would. It's all relevant to my job, and it helps me with my day-to-day tasks at work, and it's just improving my skill base and skill set a lot. In the future, I see myself going on to do a bit of computer-aided manufacturing, possibly going on to do a bit of computer-aided design as well. I like to see myself moving up in Jaguar Land Rover, possibly in the future a managerial role or a design engineering role. The thing I enjoy most about my role is taking drawings, something that people have thought up, and bringing them to life. It's just, you have a 2D drawing, something on a piece of paper, and you turn it into a physical 3D part, you know, a part that helps run a car or a part that helps build the car. The most challenging thing for me has been retaining all the information that I'm given during the apprenticeship. You're learning a lot, not only academically but at work as well, you know, new skills. But I find the best way for me to retain them has been by actually performing the tasks again and again. Because I'm using them in my day-to-day job, I'm finding it easier and easier to retain all this information I'm given. For anyone thinking to apply to Jaguar Land Rover, I would say go for it. It's a great opportunity. They've got so many different job roles. It's something that I did, I applied, and I've never looked back. And now I'm already on the ladder to a career, not just a job. Jaguar Land Rover is my ultimate destination because it's a company with a diverse range of job roles. It's a huge company and they're constantly improving and progressing, and I think I'll be able to progress and develop and inevitably find the perfect role for me if I haven't already.